Wood Whisperer is sponsored by Powermatic and Type Bond.
Boy, do I have a treat for you guys today. Renowned turner Ashley Harwood stopped by the shop to help me break in my new Powermatic 3520C lathe. The thing is a beast, and ironically, the first thing we turned on it, well, she turned on it, is this little teeny tiny Finial. This thing's absolutely gorgeous, and this is part of a sea urchin ornament that she makes. She even has a DVD on the topic, but she figured this would be a fun thing to do, and the scale at which this is done is just incredible. This is some real eye candy here. Let's check it out.
All there is to it.